What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you how you can renew your Permesso di Soggiorno for Lavoro Subordinato. Okay, so this is the first video. In this video I am going to show you just Lavoro Subordinato, and in the next videos I will show you how you can renew Carta di Soggiorno and other family types of Soggiorno as well. So don't forget to subscribe to so you can not miss the next videos. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so this is the kit. There are two modules. Okay, modulo 1, modulo 2. This is the first one. Okay, at the top of this Castura di, here you need to write the name of the Castura. Okay, I'm going to write Milano, and below down you need to type the provincia code. This is the provincia code MI Milano for Milano. Every provincia has different codes. Okay, so below down here you can see Marca da Bollo di 16 euro. You can get from any shop, any tabacchi in Italy. Okay, so below down here you need to enter your nome cognome, first cognome. I'm just adding an examples. Okay, then you need to add your nome, Alex Hills. Okay, just like that. These are just an examples. Okay, so you need to add very carefully. Okay, here you need to again type the provincia code MI. Okay, so below down you need to enter the name of the comuna. For example, I'm going to enter Bollate. Okay, below down you need to select this Renovo if you are just renewing your Permesso. Okay, this one. Then you need to go down here, you need to select Permesso Soggiorno. Okay, just like that. This is very important. Codice tipologia Permesso Carta di Soggiorno richiesta. Here you need to enter the codice for Lavoro Subordinato, which is 16. Okay, you need to add this carefully. On the basis of this code they will renew your Permesso. Every type of Permesso have different code. Okay, here you can cross this one as well to update your photo on the Soggiorno. Okay, and below down you need to enter the code or our ID of Permesso Soggiorno. Okay, you can find this on the top of your Permesso Soggiorno at right side. Okay, here you need to enter the code of Permesso di Soggiorno you have right now. So you are just renewing your Permesso di Soggiorno Lavoro Subordinato. The code will remain same, 16. Okay, so below down you need to enter an expiry date. Then you need to enter month, and you need to enter year. Okay, just like that you can. Okay, that's good. Then you need to indicare quali moduli sono stati compilati. Okay, here you need to enter 02 for Lavoro Subordinato, because you need to add Unilav, contratto di lavoro, le ultime 3 buste paghe, and then you need to enter your CUD as well. These details you can find only on Modulo 2. Okay, so you need to select 2 here and cross this one and cross this one. Okay, then you don't need to do anything here. The first page is done. Then move to the second page. Second page is here. On the second page you need to enter codice fiscale. Okay, I am adding just dummy data. You can add your codice fiscale here. Okay, then you need to add stato civile, married for married A, for married B, and for unmarried A. Okay, then you need to enter your sex here. You can add male or female. Okay, here your date of birth. Okay, here you can enter all the personal details. Okay, so here codice stato nascita, in which nation, in which country you born. Okay, so if you born in Pakistan, then code is PAK. Codice stato cittadinanza. Obviously, you can add again Pakistan here. Okay, every country has different codes, so you need to find the codes on the kit, backside of the kit. When you get kit from your poste, they give you all the pages where they have already written these codes. Okay, so don't worry about that. Stato rifugio. Okay, city, and you need to enter the city in which you born. Okay, here you need to enter your passport details, your passport number. Okay, just like that. These are just fake details to explain you. Okay, when expiry, year. Okay, so here you need to add rilasciato, the issued by the authorities, and for most of the cases it is issued by the governance. So you can type 01 here. Okay, so below down, leave it as it is. Go to the third page. Okay, here you need to select this provincia again, mi comuna Borlate, whatever, wherever you lives, via Giacomo. Okay, here you can select number of your house, and you can enter the code, il codice cap of your city. Every city have different code. Here you need to type your phone number, just like I am writing. Okay, then go down here, and you need to ignore these ones. Don't need to fill out this. Go down. Okay, so here la presente richiesta di permesso carta soggiorno parentale. Okay, if you have, in this case you just need to click no, because you are not filling permesso soggiorno for family or carta soggiorno. So in these case you need to select these carefully. Right now we don't need this. Okay, here you need to write how many persons living in status familia. Okay, just like 5. Okay, if you are married in Italy, or if your family is with you, you can write name of your family here. Cognome, like your wife or your husband. Cognome, nome. Okay, then male, female. Here date of birth and città di nascita. Okay, so that's it. This was the modulo 1. Okay, this was the modulo 1, which I showed you how you can fill. So this is the modulo 2. Okay, this is the modulo 2, where you need to enter your contratto lavoro codice fiscale del datore del lavoro, name of your factory or fabric, and below down you need to enter your code, your everything's. Okay, so this is the bulletini which you need to fill in Lavoro Subordinato. This is 8046, 8046. Okay, you write 8046 here, 8046 here, then your nome cognome, your address, and that's it. So if you feel any difficulty in completing Modulo 2, you can comment down below in this video. I will make another video for Modulo 2 and for Bollettino as well. I will show you how you can fill these ones as well. Okay, so if you feel any difficulty in one or Modulo 2, you can let me know in the comments. I will definitely help you or make another video for you. So before going, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Take care.